Are you going to fly?
Yeah.
Go. Fly! Oh no! What are you eating?
Carrot.
Carrots? Let me see. You have to eat that. Now you go and fly. Fly again. Fly.
Bye.
I said fly.
They wanted me. Oh.
Okay. Now you eat peas.
Let's see.
Yeah. Show them you're eating peas. Come on.
I know.
You know what?
Oh, yes. Precious. Sweet.
Hmm. Here, Laura. What's that?
That pillow too.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Here. Laura. Peas. Come on.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Carrots.
Baby.
Come on.
Baby.
Show them show them you're eating carrots. Come on. Come on. Like this. Wow, Laura is eating carrots. Yeah. Now you can fly and you can jump higher. Let me see. Yeah, you can touch the ceiling. Wow. Okay, another spoonful of peas. Green eggs. Yeah. You still have something in your mouth?
Carrots.
Carrots.
What's all done? What's all done?
No. Green peas.
One green piece. Green
What do you like? Green peas or carrots?
carrots.
Okay, here. Come.
Carrots.
Okay.
The bunny.
Yeah, like the bunny. Come. Come. I can't reach you. Good girl, Laura. Oh. Like now you can jump. Yay! Mm-hmm.
Done. Done.
Done.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Not done yet. You have to eat peas first. Okay. You have to eat peas first and then I'll show you. Okay?
No.
No. Careful. Watch out. Look, you're at the edge of the bed. See? Are you done with the carrots? Okay, here.